What's up, you guys? I'm Natural BB and welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this right here, this little cute curly top knot. I'm gonna show
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm also going to show you guys how I got my curls to be popping like this, because as you guys see in the before picture, it did not look like that. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this right here, then please continue watching. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.